Welcome back to my channel, my Spartans. It's your girl, Helen of Troy. And as you can tell by the title, we're getting ready for a trip. We're probably gonna do this in like 2 different segments because I have some stuff packed. Like I'm taking 2 luggages and a carry-on, and I have like a list of the things that I'm gonna take, and I already have it laid out for the most part. And yeah, there's some things that I'm gonna add as I get closer, which is most likely the end next weekend. Honestly, I'm looking at my calendar right now because I'm leaving soon. So yeah, right now though, we better go ahead and just put what I have inside. Clothes, shoes, toiletries, all of that stuff is gonna go last. And like what I'm putting in last, so I'm gonna put a screenshot of the list right here, what I have already so far that I'm going to take. So like it looks like there's not a lot of clothes, and if you know me, I gotta take a lot of things, and I'm only going for a few days. But like, let's say like I want to change my outfit, I want to change, and I change my mind, like, oh, I don't want to wear this. I like to have options, and this is my chance to get like a whole bunch of heavyweight, like have a heavy luggage, because of, y'all see, you guys will see when I post the video. That's what we're doing today, because I usually always pack a week ahead, and when I don't pack a week ahead, I've been feeling all types of like out of whack. And I don't know if you guys heard me or saw that part of the video where I said, oh, the more I wear it, once I wear it, then I won't need it anymore. If you guys hear something, that's my lovely computer. I'm uploading a video as always, fighting with this copyright. As much as I love Vlogmas, I'm so done with this intro. And I feel like each video that I upload, the audio is just diminishing more and more and more, that I'm just gonna be like, whatever. I might just like put another song. So I'm taking this maxi dress that I love from Shein, and I've only worn it once, but you guys will see all the looks put together once I am out. I'm a better packer than this, I promise. It's just like right now, your girl is just going for let's get it done. I have another maxi dress, which I like these, but you know, I want new things in my wardrobe, so in order to get new things, I have to out with the old, in with the new, right? That's what Sharpay said. Yeah, so this dress, I have it tied like this, but it actually goes this way. So, another maxi dress. As long as it's like folded, like I could really fold it in my bed like this. But when I used to work retail and I worked at Puma ones, like you can't tell me this don't look nice and folded, nice and packed, right? We're gonna continue with like the colorful dresses. And this I wore it for like 5 seconds as well. And I might wear it, I don't know. So this is like a maybe, because I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. So it's like, oh, I have a dress for this or a dress for this just in case. Or if I just wanna look cute during the day, you know, and take some pictures. Because why not? Because why not? But yeah, like I was saying, when I used to work in retail, it was the only job that I had that was retail. It was a Puma. This one I'm gonna have to do like this. We used to have to fold the clothes like a certain way, and then I just kind of like accustomed to folding things. Like my hands know how to fold things without even like putting it down. And also because I'm Dominican, I used to fold my stuff. I'll show you guys an inside view of the maleta or the luggage once I am like done. And I wanted to get those organizer cubes, but I'm not at that level of travel yet because I want to get a base. If you know, you know, a base luggage. But yeah, look how quick and easy. This is another dress. Love, love, love. This I might wear to the airport because I was gonna wear something like different, but I might just wear this because I'm not trying to be like so, I don't know what's the word. I'm trying to be comfortable, but I'm also trying to be decent. Yeah, I'm just putting this here, even though it's gonna be my airport fit. And we're gonna move on to, I have to try these on though. I'm not sure if they still fit. I'm trying them on right now. So I'm planning to wear these, so you know, with a white bathing suit that I have. These shorts are from H&M. The first 3 dresses are from Shein. The black, and I'll just put everything on the screen. If you guys are interested in like buying these pieces, I will be selling them for a reasonable price. Hit me up, guys. Because whoever wins this giveaway is gonna be getting lots of clothes from me. And then this is it's like a tube top. Not sure where it's from, but super cute. And then this is the bathing suit. Like, even though I live in Florida, I haven't worn a bathing suit. Kinda gotta get a little close and personal for these. I have some bags that I could put them in, but honestly, guys, whoa, look at this. This is a bathing suit. Well, one piece, I should say, because y'all know it's a bathing suit. Super cute, kind of like wraps around, and that's why it was wrapped the way it was. This one I'm gonna wrap it this way. So I'm gonna wrap it this way so it could stay like, hey. Then we have this other bathing suit that I feel like I neglected because I never wore. And then this is the top. I love bandos, and that used to be my favorite style. But I don't know if I'm gonna ever grow out of wearing like, you know, teeny bikinis. So just have to enjoy my body now. Oh, that looks how it looks, guys. Then this is like gonna be the cover up. This is gonna be like the cover up of the shorts. Yeah, I got the gist of it. Kind of like just be there. I usually like to travel with like 6 bathing suits, but right now. So I guess I gotta look for the top and I'm gonna take it out. But I gotta open the closet anyways. This is like a teal 2-piece set. Long skirt. I'm not sure where the top is and why it didn't come out. Let's see. It's right here. Kind of like over the shoulder. But like my list is all the way over there. These are my favorite shorts from Zara. And then like high-waisted, I think mom jeans. And I like to put this up. These are gonna fit me. Maybe this is probably gonna be the last year, even though I kind of look the same and always remain like the same weight. But just sometimes it just doesn't want to, you know, doesn't want to give. Like, it can still fit. Honestly, might just take, you never know which one I want to wear. Do I want to show off the back and the shoulders? I just want to show off the abs. I'm closing that like I'm not about to open it again for the shoes, but I gotta open the other side. Y'all know the accessories make the look, and probably gonna be adding that stuff like all at the end. Start to visualize a little bit more. Now that I have it out, I kind of know what I gonna take and what I'm, you know, instead of just having it in the list. Let me grab the shoes real quick so you can get like half of this video. And for somebody that's going for the days that I'm going and with 2 maletas, I look like I'm taking almost nothing. Like I said, yeah, girl be taking like everything. Like these, I'll just read the box. Taking these for sure. I love Ego. These are so cute. I haven't had a pair of like clear nude heels in a long time. It's like a kitten heel because I had an experience one time. I think ever since then, just like heels on me. That's why I barely wear them. Heels and me don't get along. And I'm gonna keep them in this little baggie. I never wore them, so I'm not sure which black ones I'm taking. I'm gonna leave them out, or I might just take both because I'm wearing them. Leaning tower. Oh, I think, yeah, they're in my car. So of course, gotta take my wedges from Julian Santos, which I love. So comfy. The info is always below in the description with my code. Yeah, I don't think y'all can see what I got going on down there. Like, y'all can see that. And then these cuties, so cute. My car door boots are downstairs, so I still have to grab those. And I don't think I'm taking any sneakers besides my Romeros, and I wear those almost every day. So, and I have these gold ones that have like a higher heel. And Discotech. That's the name, Discotech. I wear a size 6 in all of these heels, so for size reference, like my feet though, like I was mentioning, they get swollen. So I don't know. To each his own. And then these cuties as well with the bow. And I love these heels. They're super comfortable, honestly. The other black ones are the ones that I wore to the Becky G concert. But they're in my car, so I'll just add the accessories like when I get closer, like I mentioned, because I have to see which glasses I'm gonna take. Am I taking multiple glasses like I usually do, or am I just wearing my Desi Monets? So this is what the shoes are looking like. So I have like 3 heels, 2 wedges. Like, oh my gosh, who is she? And then like the dresses here. 1, 2, 3, 4 dresses. My airport fit, which I still have to take out another airport fit. I just reminded myself right now. Bathing suit and cover-ups, shorts, and little cute peach. I know y'all gonna be with me the day that they send me the packages. And I'm gonna cry. Like, I'm gonna actually cry. Probably scream, but I don't want to scare you guys, so I'd rather cry. And then these are like very, very comfortable. So I have 2 comfortable airport fits. I just think the other one is more appropriate to go there. Or maybe I might wear this one to go and then the other one to come back, since I'm going during the day. But we'll see. We'll see when the day gets closer. So for now, that's what we have in the luggage. And then when I have an update, I'll bring you guys and show you. Because I want to go take a shower and start working on these nails. So I'll see you guys in the next time. So I tried on some other stuff so you guys can see that I didn't pack with you guys at first, because of course I was going to add other things. So here's me from the future. You guys saw me try on the other things that I did show you in between. And then I have some dresses that I'm just going to throw in. These are just extra things. They might not be going together how I'm putting them on, but I kind of like to see it as well. Bringing shoes, probably bring some sneakers, because I don't know what I'm gonna be wearing these with, and I honestly don't feel like doing that right now. I'd rather just have everything just in case. That's why I'm taking like 3 suitcases or 3 luggages. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I know you guys like to see me try on clothes. Yeah guys, I'm feeling myself, even though my hair is not looking good right now and my face is super dry because I haven't done my skincare after my shower. But yeah, so let me know down below which was your favorite outfit, which piece you think I should wear. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.